What is going on, guys? Hunter Lugovic here. And today we were kayaking the same lake where I caught those bass and where I caught that giant bluegill at. So hopefully, we catch some nice bass. And I brought a bluegill rod with this lure. So hopefully we can catch a couple nice ones. So I'll keep the GoPro off for a while and see if we can catch anything. Ooh, nice smallmouth. Wow, sweet. You take our time, you know how the kayak is. Nice. There we go. Let's go. There we go, guys. Get them off. That was quick. That's second cast. There we go, guys. First smallmouth of the day. Let's release him. He got me soaked. So let's go. That's a really good sign. Really good sign. Smaller one though, a lot smaller. Oh my god, look at this, guys. Tiny smallmouth, but they might be stacked up in there though. Hopefully you guys get a good angle again, but small bait fish. There we go. Pretty good, guys. It's not that big either. Oh, he's pretty nice. Ooh, ow, he got me. Ooh, ooh. Oh, I ripped this whip up pretty good. Ow! Ooh! God damn it! Oh, okay, he got off really nicely. Okay, hold on. There you go, guys. Third smallmouth. He freaking... Wow, he freaking... Whew, that hurt a lot. As soon as I cast it. I don't think this one's as big, though. You never know. Oh, no, this one's tiny. Small one. Ooh, he's mutilated. There we go, guys. Small one. Oh, he's gone. Wow, that was quick. Guys, finally. Ooh, this is a nice one. Ooh, a Largie. Oh, is that 50? Oh, God. Oh, don't. There we go. There we go. That's definitely the nicest one of the day. Let me get the thing out. Sweet. There we go, guys. Definitely. That's like a 14-incher. Sweet. Watch. Oh, that's how you make them jump. He swam really nicely. Sweet. There we go. Finally. That took a long time, guys. A long time. Yes. There we go. Finally a nice one. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. There we go. Nice one. Oh, on his top fin there's friggin' there we go, guys. Nice smallmouth. Nice smallmouth. Got me all wet. Jesus. He spit up this thing. What the hell? That's like a mutilated tiny baitfish. Ooh, that's a nice one. That's a really nice one. Oh, man. Ooh, yeah. Damn, man. Damn, man. Damn. He's not giving up. I love smallmouth. Oh my god. He looks like a rock. Oh my god. Oh, that's a nice one. Damn. Hold on for a second. That's a nice one, guys. That's a nice smallmouth right there. He's about a 14-incher. Sweet. Listen for a couple of these. That's a nice one. Really nice one. Good one, guys. Second cast. I caught a... Jesus. Whoa. Son of a bitch, he swallowed it. Oh, you bastard. Oh, there's the fish, guys. Nice one. And he's gonna bleed and bleed and bleed. Oh, shit. I don't know if he, oh, thank God. Whew. He was, look how much he was bleeding. Whew. Damn. Well, guys, hopefully you enjoyed that video. It's a very good day for bass, but bluegill it wasn't. I forgot the worms, so I tried this little like gets a thingamajigger. I think I didn't even have a single bite. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. I certainly did. I loved that. Was a good day of kayak fishing. Haven't done it in a long time, so yeah. So guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And look at this sticker, guys. I know this is kind of bad. Really? You hate archery hunters? Wow, what a pussy. Hey, he's hunting rifle, coldest part of the year, but hey, archery hunters are better than rifle hunters.